Hello everybody, welcome back, Fumbler here. And yeah, today we will be having another lock from the box that Don't Pix sent me. I'll put his channel in the video description and a link to the video in the top here. And yeah, I couldn't resist when I saw a BKS lock in there to also show you that on camera. It's the whole deal here, but I'm not so sure if this is a right manual, because this is more like a round cylinder I showed in another video. But yeah, that's really old. So really cool to see something like that. Here's the lock, and I just noticed before starting out here, yeah, this key, well, it fits in, but it doesn't turn the core. So either the lock is broken or the key is just wrong. So hopefully we can get it picked. I've not tried it yet, so let's put it in a vise and see if we can open it or not. So yeah, looks good. Oh, sorry, get you set up here. SP13 in 1mm, and yeah, let's try with the PN07. Just starting from the back and trying to see which binds and the front binds. So 1 click, 5, 4, 5 again, okay, 5 yet again, and I think that's a spool or a mushroom pin or so. That was just 3. Let's see what else is going on. So maybe 2. Yeah, 2 definitely. I think 2's happy, but dropped some pins on the way. And 2 again. Okay, finally. So the lock opens actually. Let's see. I've not tried to remove the cam in the back here. Let's try if it works. So I guess compressing this might help. Does it compress? Yeah, almost free. Let's try with a screwdriver. I mean, the problem is now I cannot push it because of that thing, and I cannot remove that. good click there. But now I can't get any further because this one doesn't want to go this way, but I need to go this way. How does that work? Ah, there's a slot. So maybe we have to turn it like this. Yeah, that should work. So here's the slot, and this should go right out. Yeah, nice. Okay. So pinning tray. But now, unfortunately, since I don't have the key, I have to pick it again, huh? Yeah, let's do that. So I had to lock it back up because of the slot. And now I put my tensioner somewhere where I can't find. Damn it. Let's use another one. I think I might dropped it on the floor, so this one should also work fine. Okay, there we go. Now the core should be able to come out. Since I have no idea what's inside there, let's use a shim. Okay. Let's get the drivers out first. Okay, tiny mushroom with quite some lip in one. And the springs are really powerful again. Same in two, just a longer one. Same strange driver in three. And five, what is that? It's a spool or so. I'll show you the pins in a moment. Again, another spool, maybe a mushroom, I don't know. So yes, as you saw, the back and forth, they should all be active. We should still check later what's wrong with the key. why it's not working, but let me show you the pins first. Okay, check these out. So quite different to what we've seen before in BKS locks. This is actually a spool. It has a lip up here and down here. Maybe it could also count as a mushroom. It could be a bit tapered. And these mushrooms are really weird. Let's take one and have a closer look on this. Interesting. So they have the taperedness, you see the angle, and then they have this groove here. Interesting. I've not seen these before. So yeah, but the key pins are all standard. And the first one is really long. Let's check out how the key actually looks with these key pins. Maybe I just have to mix one up or so and it works again. Where's the key? Here. Yeah, no chance. This will never work. I don't know, I just got the wrong key here. Can't use it, but yeah, as you saw, we can pick it and it's rather fun with these pins, I must say. Anyhow, thanks again, Don, for lending me these locks, and thanks to everybody for watching. Yeah, this was a fun BKS lock, quite old, I guess. And yeah, if you like this video, come back to my channel and see you in the next video. Have a great day. Bye.